In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WooCommerce product featured. This simple task can help highlight specific products in your store, drawing more attention to them and potentially boosting your sales. We'll explore just how easy it is to set a product as featured in your WooCommerce store, right from your dashboard. To get started, let's navigate to where all your products are listed. In your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Products section and then click on All Products. This will bring up a comprehensive list of every item you've currently got potential customers eyeing in your online store. Here you can see all kinds of important information about your products, such as their names, pricing, stock status, and of course, whether they're featured or not. Now, to make a product featured, it's important to understand how WooCommerce identifies these special items. Look for the column titled Featured, which displays a star symbol beside each product. This star tells you immediately whether a product is featured or not. An outline of a star, or an empty star, indicates that the item is currently not featured. This is where we zero in for our next step. Take your cursor and hover over the product name you would like to feature. As you do this, you'll notice some quick action options appear below the name. These extra options enhance your ability to manage your product efficiently without additional navigation. But what we're particularly interested in here is that star icon in the featured column. Once you've decided which product you want to put in the spotlight, simply click on this star icon. After clicking, watch as the outlined or empty star fills in and becomes solid. This is WooCommerce's way of indicating that the transformation is complete. Your product is now officially featured. The star turning solid is a visual cue confirming that your action was successful and that WooCommerce has registered your choice to highlight this particular item. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've successfully marked one of your products as featured. This small badge of distinction can be quite significant, especially when you have a promotional product or a bestseller that you want to showcase. It doesn't only catch the customer's attention, but can also drive specific traffic to particular items. So, whether you are running a special promotion or just want to make sure your customers see your top items first, setting a product as featured is an easy yet effective way to enhance your WooCommerce store's performance. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your products more strategically and align your store's offerings with your business goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips on optimizing your WooCommerce store.